Y'all know by my subscriber count, this is not sponsored in any way. Hi, I'm Cindy, and this is my Boxycharm unboxing video. Alright, well, my house is in chaos at the moment because of all the things we're doing, and it's also a Saturday, so my kids' friends are over. So if you hear a little bit of noise, I'm sorry, but I just had to come up here and hurry up and film this because I got my Boxycharm today. I heard the mailman pull up. Taillights had not even left my field of vision before I went out and snatched this bad boy up. So I'm really excited. I've looked at a few of the spoilers. To be honest, I know last month I seemed to complain about the box a lot, but I do feel like I might be excited about this one because even though I've looked at the spoilers, I really don't have my heart set on any one particular item. So it's going to feel less like a bummer if I don't get something. Does that make sense? If I sound extra lispy, I already had a list to begin with, but I am doing the Smile Direct Club video to come, so I sound a little bit extra lispy. And I do have a better sound and lighting system going on, but you know, I'm still working on backgrounds. I'm still working on all that stuff. Y'all know. I ain't no Kathleen Lights. I ain't no Toddy Westbrook. I ain't no Jaclyn Hill. I'm not those people, okay? But I'll do the best that I can for you. All right, so we ready? And Mama forgot her knife. This video is not sponsored. I pay for this box myself, by the way. So right, I had the theme for this month is Make Waves. It's got this cute little ocean theme going on here, and I got variation number 2. Okay. All right. So the first thing that I see in here, of course, is we had the choice of one or the other, and I would have been happy with either one. But this is the, I got the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Cleansing Conditioner. And I was excited to do this. I was also excited to do the First Aid Beauty, like, because I just recently tried some stuff from First Aid Beauty and I've really enjoyed it. So I would have been happy with either one. But I got the pretty mermaid looking thing here. Crack this puppy open just to see what it looks like. And bam, such a pretty packaging. That is so pretty. So now I do have a few skin cleansers going on, so it might be a while before I actually crack this puppy open because I don't want to have too many skincare products open at one time. But I've yet to try my new Glam Glow serum, so you have that to look forward to. But make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS free. The Glam Glow cleanser retails for $28. Next thing in here I see is is this Ciate? Yes. Okay. So this is the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. Here's the box, what it looks like. And I have it in the shade Cupid. So we'll take a look. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. It's like this pretty lilac color. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. There's a lot of glitter in it though. So I don't know how practical it'll be for me to wear at work. But you know what? You can get it down to a sheen. I don't know how well that picks up on camera, even with my beautiful light here. Ciate Eye Luster Cream. Long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. Well, I don't normally use cream eyeshadow. I usually just pick up my favorite palette of the day and go with that. But this is very pretty. I like it. I like it. The Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow has a retail value of $22. We're gonna go back into that whole thing I had on the lip gloss last month, where I don't know if I'd pay $22 for a single cream eyeshadow, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just not that girl, and they're not marketing to me. I don't know, but that's my Hoosier frugality coming out in me. Then the next thing I see here is the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, and it's in the shade Strawberry Pop. So this is what the box looks like. I think I've only tried maybe 1 or 2 things from Dose of Colors. I might have not ever gotten one actually. So this will be a new thing for me. Oh, this is a very pretty color. This is really pretty. This is really going to be nice for summer. This is like a really nice, that is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now I saw somebody with a lilac one and I would have been totally fine with that too, but ooh, that is a little bit, it's pulling a little bit more red up close here, but it's like more of like a deep pinky red though. And I don't think I have anything like that. Pretty. I kind of like that. That'll be a nice summer color, I think. Summer color, winter colors, I wear them all year round because that's how I roll. Has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich, long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries down to an ultra comfortable matte finish. We'll see how this dries down here. So I'm going for a more natural look today, so I don't think I'll be putting this on right now, but maybe later. The retail value on that is $18. I've been looking forward to this one because everything I have tried from this brand, and I've actually gone and purchased stuff from their website because of the stuff that we got in Boxycharm. It was that good. But the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, I'm going to take a look and see. It's in Fairlight, which is great because that means they are listening to our beauty preferences. All right, so this is really pretty, cute packaging. All right. Oh, I should probably cover up things. So there's what it looks like. Ooh. Hey, y'all. I got a blush. I was upset because I got a blush palette last month. Kind of swatch them here. I guess these two are kind of, those two on the ends are kind of similar in color when you swatch them. But I don't know. That's really pretty. I know if anybody watched my Ipsy video, I was like, I don't know what, I've just gotten a whole bunch of blush. I don't need a whole lot of blush, but these actually feel nicer than the Lovecraft ones that we got last month with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This looks really cute. It looks really pretty, and the formula feels really nice. And you know what? I'm honestly not surprised with Alamar because, like I said, everything I have tried from them has been like flippin' amazing, you know? Actually, give me just one moment. I'll show you just how flippin' amazing they are. So I didn't see anybody talk about this online, on YouTube, whatever. The only people I saw really talk about it were, I think I saw a few Hispanic or Latina YouTubers speaking in Spanish, which even though I took it in high school, I still can't keep up with it that fast. Or like really, really smaller ones. Or if I saw it mentioned, people were like turning their nose up at it. Like, I'm not going to even bother getting that. But so I just said nobody else really mentioned this. I think Kathleen Lights might have had like one Instagram post or something about that. But I'm like, this has not been done justice. Not been done justice at all. I saw this drop. I think it might have been like early December, but I didn't even know about it for like a month and a half, 2 months. And so this is the volume 2. And let me just show you something in here. And so one of her main complaints the main complaints about her palette was last time that she didn't have a mirror. And I'm just going to go ahead and cover this up, but you can see there's a mirror underneath here. But look at these colors. Okay. Now I understand that we've got a bunch of colorful palettes going on right now. I'm still just gonna, but I mean, and I can understand how this may seem like intimidating to some people. There's not as many transition colors and that sort of thing. When you listen to her explanation of why, it's like, it's basically to be more inclusive of all skin types. So these are going to be your main transition colors here. These, like this yellow and this pink shade here. And because it works on everybody's skin tone, right? So anyway, but I just wanted to pick some stuff here and show you just how good these eyeshadows are. Okay, into here. Okay, ready? This is this beautiful silver here. It's called azúcar, which is, I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, but it's basically sugar in Spanish. What? Come on. Look how great that is. Okay, I'll go ahead and pick this green one too. Like, I mean, all right, let me go ahead and pick up this yellow here. Okay. Yellows are hard to do sometimes, okay? Look at that. I mean, come on. Come on. Like, the quality is just, I'm going to do it again with the pink here. The quality of these are just so darn good. And like, I just couldn't say no. When I saw some people doing swatches for it, I was like, oh my God, the people who actually talked about it, when they did the swatches to it. And some of them didn't really have the best camera equipment. I mean, they're starting out like me too. And then when they swiped it and I saw how good of a payoff that was, even just with that, I was like, oh, sold. Yes, ma'am. So I am not surprised that this seems like it might be up there. And I'm actually happy because it means that she's released more products since then. I should be checking out the site every once in a while. I think I did recently, and I saw that they had some lip glosses up there, which if you saw my last video, my last rant about lip glosses, you know why. But so I might be a little bit shy about doing something like that. But if she comes out with some liquid lipsticks, or I don't know what else she can come out with, probably not highlighters. I got enough highlighters, but she comes out with something else, you girl, you know. Ching, cha-ching. Yes, thank you. Just take my credit card now. Just take it now. Super excited to get this. I'm starting to get quite an Alamar collection here. Alamar Colorette Blush Trio is $22. And the final one is like this. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. I kind of need a brow product, but it is the Mellow Brow Definer. Non-greasy, easy glide formula in your new Mellow Cosmetics Brow Definer Brow Pencil is about to revolutionize your brow game. Okay. The triangular tip makes for easy hair-like strokes. Oh, I like triangular tips. I need to crack this puppy open then. And the long-lasting formula ensures your brows won't budge. Okay, well, we'll see if this is actually in my color. I'm going to say I'm a little bit buttoned because I saw some colored eyeliners, and even though I don't wear them as often as I used to, I kind of wanted the teal one. But I am perfectly happy to try a new brow product since I'm still kind of in between them. Okay. Oh, there it is. I have a Wet n Wild like that, but it's kind of drying out, and I'm not as crazy about it. Yeah, that probably ought to work for me. Mellow Brow Definer is $18. I'm going to use my powers and add all this stuff up in my brain. The total value of my box is $108. You know what? It's not the largest value box that I've gotten, but I honestly feel so happy with these products. I think I'm going to get a lot of use and enjoy every single one of these products. I don't know how this one will work out because I don't wear liquid eyeshadows that much, but like, and I do have a lot of blushes already, but the formula on this feels really nice, and these are some really cute summer colors. So I think I don't want to, presume, but I think I might get some use out of this. Always love cleansers. I mean, see, if Boxycharm can give you a skincare item in every single box, that probably will be enough to like make me a little bit happier about receiving it over my Ipsy. I think I'm gonna definitely use this. This lipstick looks so pretty. Let's see if it's dried down. It has dried down. It has dried down as I've been sitting here talking. It has dried down. So, but it looks so good. Oh my God. I love it. And then brown pencil, the fact that it's triangular, I'm probably definitely going to use this and maybe reach for it more than what I currently do. Oh yeah. I forgot about the spoolie on the end. Okay. Well, that has been my Boxycharm unboxing. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell, because I do not think that they will show you any of my videos unless that notification bell is clicked. Especially, small, minute channel I am currently. If you're also interested, I do have an Instagram account. It's kind of new to me, so, you know, be patient. But I do have an Instagram and Twitter handle. We'll put the link in the description below. But for both of those, I'm still trying to decide whether or not I'll have a Facebook page. So if you're seeing me on Facebook, congrats, I actually did something. Thanks for joining me. Hope y'all have a great day, weekend, or evening whenever you're watching this video. So thank you. Goodbye.